Hey children, today we are going to do the worksheet of the science chapter birds. Chapter 4 birds. Okay. We already learned the body parts of the bird, and the birds are the only animals with feathers on their bodies, and they have wings to fly. Now, in this worksheet, your first question is label the parts of a bird's body. Use the help box. Here we have the help box, and we have to label the parts of the bird using the help box. So, the first one, okay, is an arrow mark here. So, which body part is this? Yes, it's a beak, right? Beak, B-E-A-K, beak. It's a beak. Now, the second one. What is this? Yes, it's the eye of the bird. Eye. Okay, so we can write here eye. Now, the third picture, the third body part. Yes, here. What is this? Yes, this is the body feathers. Some body feathers, right? Some body feathers, and here we have the spelling here body feathers. We can write here the word. Okay, now the fourth one. Which body part is this? Yes, this is the wings of the bird. The birds use the wings to fly. So we can write here wings. Here you have the spelling wings. Now the fifth one. Fifth one. Here. What is this? These are the claws. Claws of the bird. Okay. So here we have the spelling claws. These are the claws. Then every bird have two legs, and that is 2 feet. Each foot generally has 4 toes and that bear the claws. Birds use their feet and claws to walk, hop around and protect themselves from enemies and catch and hold food. Okay, now the sixth one. Here it is. Which body part is this? Can you say which body part is this? Yes, these are the flight feathers. Flight feathers. Here you have the spelling flight feathers. Now, the last one. Seventh one. Which body part is this? Yes, this is the tail of the bird. Tail. The tail acts as a rudder and that help in changing direction while flying. So we can write here tail. Tail. Now move on to the second section B. Write any 2 features that help a bird to fly. We already learned that the features that help the bird to fly. Okay, so please note down. Birds have light body, well-formed wings and strong muscles that help them to fly. Birds have a boat-shaped body which helps them to cut through air and fly. Move on to the next page. Identify the following birds and write their names at the appropriate place. Here, the pictures of some birds are given. We have to identify which bird is this. Okay, and following some questions. So first of all, we will identify the birds. First bird. Which bird is this? Yes, it's a parrot. Parrot. Okay, the next picture. Which bird is this? Yes. Which bird? Look at its beak. Yes, it have a long, thin, curved beak. And the bird name is sunbird. Okay, this is sunbird. So we can write the name here. Now, the third one. Which bird is this? This is white in color and it have a thin and long legs. And the bird is crane. Okay, crane. It's also known as wading bird. Okay, we can write here crane. Now, the fourth picture. Which bird is this? It have a strong, sharp and hooked beak for tearing flesh. And it fly high. And this bird is eagle. This bird is also known as birds of prey or praying bird. We can write here eagle. And the fifth picture, which bird is this? It have a flat beak, that is a broad and flat beak. And which bird is this? Yes, it's a duck. It's a duck. Duck. Now, which bird is this? It have a strong, heavy and chisel-shaped beak. Which bird is this? Yes, it's a woodpecker. We can write here woodpecker. Woodpecker. Now, the seventh bird. Which bird is this? Yes, it have a short and horny beak to crush hard nuts, grains and seeds. Tell me, which bird is this? Yes, it's a pigeon. We can write here pigeon. Now, next one. Which bird is this? It is a scratching bird. They use their feet to dig the ground in search of buried seeds and insects. And they have 3 toes in front and 1 at back with sharp claws. And the name is, you already know, hen. So we can write here hen. Now the next bird. They have a long and strong legs and only have 2 toes. Which bird is this? It's also known as a running bird. Yes, it's an ostrich. We can write the name here, ostrich. Move on to the next one. The first question here is perching bird. Which bird is known as perching bird? Yes, we already discussed. It's pigeon. Okay, pigeon is a perching bird. So we can write here pigeon. Now, second one, climbing bird. Which bird is known as a climbing bird? Yes, it's a parrot. We can write here parrot. Now, the third one, wading bird. Which bird is known as a wading bird? Yes, it's a crane. Crane is known as a wading bird. It can walk over shallow water. Okay, we can write here crane. Then the fourth one, scratching bird. Okay, which one is that? Yes, a hen. Okay, scratching bird is a hen. Fifth one, praying bird. Which bird is known as a praying bird? Yes, it's an eagle. It's an eagle. Sixth one, running bird.
running bird. Yes, it's an ostrich. Ostrich. Seventh one, bird with broad and flat beak. Which bird is that? Yes, duck. It's a duck. Next one is bird with long, thin and curved beak. Bird with long, thin and curved beak. Yes, it's a sunbird. Sunbird. Ninth one, bird with strong and chisel-shaped beak. Bird with strong and chisel-shaped beak. Yes, it's a woodpecker. You can write here woodpecker. Move on to the next page. Complete the following with the words given in the help box. Here are some questions and the answers are given in this help box. So we have to choose the correct answer from this. So first question, flesh-eating birds are called dash birds. The answer is praying birds. Okay, praying birds. The woodpecker uses its dash like beak to make a hole in a tree trunk. And the answer is chisel. Chisel like beak. Okay, chisel like beak. Birds make nest to lay dash. Birds make nest to lay eggs. Fourth question. Swans have dash feet. Swans have webbed feet. Fifth one. A tailor bird uses its dash to sew its nest. A tailor bird uses its beak to sew its nest. Sixth one. Dash feathers cover the body of a bird. Body feathers cover the body of a bird. Seventh question. Birds have dash shaped body. Birds have boat shaped body. Eighth question. Strong and sharp claws of flesh-eating birds are called dash. Strong and sharp claws of flesh-eating birds are called dash. Talons. Ninth question. A dash has a short and broad beak. A dash has a short and broad beak. Answer is swallow. Swallow. 10th question. The nest of a dash hangs from the branch of a tree. The nest of a weaver bird hangs from the branch of a tree. 11th question. A dash has a long and slender beak. A hoopay has a long and slender beak. 12th question. Dash feathers keep the bird warm. Down feathers keep the bird warm. Okay, children, we have completed our worksheet of the chapter birds. Okay, so thank you everyone.